Hello and welcome to this crypto update. Before we start, one important note. This is only Elliott-Waves analysis. It is not financial advice, and make sure you do your own research before you take any action in the markets. So with that said, we can start here on the 4-hourly chart with Bitcoin. And by the way, we will cover not only Bitcoin, we will also cover XRP, Solana, Ethereum, BNB, and a bonus coin, which we have not covered on this channel before. So stay tuned for that. So what can we see here on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin? I treat the whole movement since October 6th last year as a wave A to the downside, bracketed larger wave A. And this wave A is playing out as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave decline, where we could now see the fifth wave already began with its first leg in this bracketed wave A, then a wave B, and then possible 5-wave decline into the target zone, which is located down here somewhere around 74 to 78,000 US dollars. This is my main scenario, and what will follow afterwards is a bullish counter move in this larger bracketed wave B. Okay, so this correction does not look complete right now, but I think we are in the late stages of this correction and we can already prepare for this counter move. This is what I am expecting here. There is an alternative. Yeah, there's always an alternative. And this time I think it is maybe worth showing it because we know a wave A can be a 5-wave move, but it's also possible that a wave A is just a 3-wave move. And in that case, what we've seen here from November 21st was a wave A, given here in this purple circle wave A. Now we could be in this purple wave B, and then a rally to the upside could start out of this support zone here. This is definitely an alternative scenario, which is less likely, but it's still possible, okay? Okay, next coin, XRP. So, in general, what we can see here on the XRP chart is that we have seen since June 2022 a wave 1, a wave 2, and then a wave 3. And since January 25, we could be in this larger wave 4 here. And what follows is likely a wave 5 to the upside with a targeted zone up here in blue. So when can we expect this bullish counter move or a continuation of the bull run, however you want to put it? And for that, we look at the correction here. And I expect that this correction is an A, B, and now we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 decline. So we are in my opinion, we are very close to an end of this correction, right? So it's very similar to Bitcoin. I think we are in this bracketed wave 5, and we could already have seen this wave A, then a wave B, and at last we can see the last leg of this correction into the target zone here, somewhere around the 50 and the 61.8 Fibonacci extension level here, given in blue. If that support zone here does not hold, XRP has still the largest support zone down here. From out of this orange area, XRP should find a bottom to have the chance to create this last 5th wave to the upside. Yeah, it should not sustainably break the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So I think that's all what we can say to XRP. Now, next coin is Solana. Solana is very similar to the coins we have mentioned before. I also treat it as a wave 4. It reacted at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, and it is now coming down, probably down into the projected target zone given here in blue. And once Solana and touches this zone and finds the bottom there, I also expect a bullish counter move into this, at least this B wave rally. Yeah, that's all I can say to Solana. And we are here on this Ethereum chart. Yeah, Ethereum is next, and I just remove my nice drawings here. And yeah, Ethereum is pretty much the same. I also expect Ethereum to be in the fourth wave. I also expect a new low for Ethereum here, also given here in this blue target zone. Probably it's this bracketed wave A, followed by at least a bracketed wave B. Could it be more? Could it be more bullish? Yes, it could. When we look at the whole, how to say that? If we look at the whole bull run, if we want to call it like that, we can say that Ethereum could be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth wave is playing out as an A, B, C. In this case, Ethereum will definitely make a new high, but it's too early to confirm that scenario, right? So we have to track that on the way to the upside, and I will do it for you, and I will update you once we get new price data in which we can analyze and maybe can project which scenario it is. Next coin, BNB. BNB is also in a correction since October, and this correction looks nearly complete. Same to the other coins. They are really very similar. And I also think that this is an A, B, C correction. The C wave played out at the 5-wave move. And now we also could be in this last leg to the upside. It's an A, B, C probably. And then the target zone is also down here. You can see it. The price should not break sustainably below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is located at 736 US dollars. And afterwards, I also expect a bullish counter move. And in this case, it will be this the Roman wave 5 in this larger white wave 5. You can see here the projected target zone. And yeah, that's all I can say about BNB. Now we come to the promised bonus coin, and it is Pepe. I cover Pepe because it's a meme coin, and we know meme coins have performed very well in this cycle. And also Pepe provides a very reliable and nice structure. They had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a nice impulsive move, a very nice Elliott-Wave structure. And since January 25, we've seen an A, B, and now possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave decline. So also here, the correction seems to be very close to an end. And what we can expect is, at least in my opinion, with high degree of certainty, this B wave here with, it's more a resistance zone here, right? Up here, or this is, I would say, a little bit more bearish and a bit more conservative scenario. What it could also be is that we have seen here a bracketed wave A and now a bracketed wave B, and we could see a bracketed wave C to the upside, which will provide definitely a new high here. This is one scenario, right? I cannot really confirm that right now, but it's definitely a one scenario I am tracking, and I'm tracking it every day for you. And if anything interesting or surprisingly happens, I will update you here on this channel. So make sure you follow me here on YouTube. Here is much more to come in the future. And yeah, that was the crypto update. I wish you a nice day. See and hear you next time. Ciao, ciao.